Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Gayan. Today I'm going to teach you how to make basbusha. We need yogurt 500 grams, semolina 500 grams, white sugar 500 grams, rose water for sugar syrup, baking powder 10 grams, almond nuts. Mix the semolina, sugar, baking powder, and yogurt together in a bowl and mix well. Grease a baking dish with butter, pour the mixture inside the tray. Arrange almond nuts in top. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 minutes until bake well. Take out from oven and put same time sugar syrup into the top. Garnish and serve. If you took something from this video, please like, comments, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet soon with next video.